Hey everyone, welcome to Crypto India. I'm your host Shiv. So this is a channel we talk about cryptocurrencies, Bitcoin, blockchain, ICOs, news, developments, and sentiments. So thank you so much for coming back. I appreciate your subscription. And if you have not subscribed to this channel, go ahead and click on subscribe so that you do not miss out on any of the important informations. Let's get into the topic today. So we'll start as usual from the coinmarketcap.com. We'll have a look at the pricing first. Let's see what's going on. So you have Bitcoin at about 3,979. So the first time ever in the last 15 days it has dropped below 4,000 US dollar. You have Ethereum at 279, which was trading about 330 last week. You have Bitcoin Cash at 489, so it's a huge drop. You have Ripple at 20 cents and you have Litecoin at 62 US dollar. You have Dash at 303 US dollar. Probably right time to get started into cryptocurrencies. You have NEM coin, which is about 23 cents. Now these are the top 7 cryptocurrencies which you see on the crypto coin capitalmarket.com. Now these are the having the one of the one of the biggest market share when it comes to capital market. So I want to talk to you guys about specifically about NEM coin today, which has tied up with Malaysian government, which has a market capital of 2 billion, which is next to just Dash after that. So around Dash coin and NEM coin, they both have a market capital of 2 billion US dollars same. So let's talk about why this price drop, why everything is minus right now. So we recently had a news from China that the China will be closing down all the cryptocurrency exchanges there. Two of the biggest cryptocurrency exchanges like OKCoin and I think China BTC, they have reported that they have not got any instructions from the regulations as yet, and the trading and everything is still on. But it seems the prices have been impacted. So and that is why we see such a huge drop. But I'm pretty positive that maybe in a couple of days or so it should go up, because let's understand the cryptocurrencies markets are now global. They do not have any nation, or they do not belong to any particular country. So it doesn't really make much of a difference of what one country decides to do with the cryptocurrencies. It may have a temporary impact on the pricing, but in the longer term it will come back to its original pricing. So that's just my thought and opinion on this. Let's talk about the NEM coin that I spoke to you guys about. So NEM, which has been there, they had an ICO in 2015, and which has been trading at around of 23 cents, 20 cents over a couple of years now. They have gone ahead and tied up with Malaysian Digital Economy Corporation. Uh, I will leave the link in the description below, but what it says that the NEM.io Foundation launched NEM's Blockchain Center in 10,000 square feet facility in Kuala Lumpur, Malaysia. A 10,000 square feet facility is what they are setting up in collaboration with the Malaysian government, which will be an accelerator and co-working space to boost the blockchain as a technology there. The opening of the non-profit blockchain center in Malaysia allows both Blockchain Global and NEM to pursue our missions to foster mainstream innovations and adoption of internationally blockchain. We are proud to work with NEM as we believe their blockchain technology platform is the future standard for mainstream enterprise and organizational infrastructure. So NEM has collaborated with Malaysian government in setting up this 10,000 square feet blockchain space, which will all be a co-working space, and together they will boost the blockchain adoption as a whole. I mean, this may have an impact on NEM coin price. That's my thought, because it's been trading at about 23 cents, 20 cents for quite a while, and news like this can boost an economy, a coin's price, like anything like what happened with Ant shares. If you remember, Ant shares was trading for about 1-2 years, and then all of a sudden in the last month, in the month of July, right from $1, $2, they jumped onto 40 US dollar. So this may be a surprise, I'm not sure, but it's a good news for NEM coin. So I will leave the link in the description below. Go ahead and read the entire thing, and understand what are the possibilities with NEM coin in future. Now another news is that the JP Morgan CEO Jamie Dimon, Jamie Dimon has said that the Bitcoin is into a bubble which is going to burst soon, and it's a fraud. Now this is a very natural statement from coming out from a CEO of one of the largest bank, because such a JP Morgan. It's simple because Bitcoin is the biggest threat to the banks. Banks like JP Morgan, Citibank, and all the other banks have a $1 trillion business today because of the fiat currency, because of the remittance that they do, because of the customer database that they have, because of the funding that they receive and the funding that they loan out. And obviously a technology like Bitcoin is going to disrupt the banking system, and JP Morgan and Citibanks, these are the banks which will be affected the most. So what do you expect from a competitor of Bitcoin to make a statement like that, right? So it's pretty natural. I really don't pay much attention to these news coming from bankers, because they are going to criticize the Bitcoin as a technology. They wouldn't want to understand, or probably they would just want to come in the news for some reasons or whatever, but they would never tell in public that the Bitcoin is here to change the world, right? So this is expected from a bank. So I thought I'll keep you guys updated on that. Do share your thoughts and opinions and what do you think about it. And as always, it's a pleasure to be talking to you guys and sharing these important informations updates on a daily basis. And thank you so much for being connected. And yes, hit the like button. And if you're not subscribed, click on subscribe, and share this channel and video with more and more friends and colleagues whom you think are interested in cryptocurrencies and want to understand Bitcoin. I see a lot of things are happening in cryptocurrency. A lot of new people are getting involved. Because it's on social media, and you cannot really hide things from new channels, right? Even the new channels have started talking about Bitcoin. News TV like Bloomberg, CNBC. So it's not hidden anymore from us, from anyone. Everybody, some or the other, knows about cryptocurrencies, Bitcoin. It's just about paying some attention and understanding a little more of cryptocurrencies. So thank you so much for watching, guys, and hit the subscribe button, and I'll see you in my next video.